Hey YouTube, so in this video I'm going to talk to you about the best dash cams for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. One of the best reasons to have a dash cam for while you're driving Lyft and Uber is so that if you get pulled over you can fight the ticket and prove that you did do a full stop on the stop sign, or you didn't run the red light, or you weren't driving recklessly. Another reason is for lawsuits and stuff. If there's a complaint, or you happen to get in an accident, or you need to show your insurance that you were not at fault for the accident, it could save you a lot of money and hassle and time with the insurance companies, and it could really reduce your liability. So I've noticed a lot of Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are using them now, and I've started using one myself. So I'm gonna talk to you in this video about what are the best dash cams you can get for the money, and you can see where you can find those on Amazon. I left a link in the description so you can check out those dash cams, and that's really the cheapest place to buy them because Amazon is the cheapest and they have the most variety. So um, let's take a look at this then. Alright guys, so now that we're on Amazon, if you followed the link, this is where it'll bring you to. The link is in the description once again. So these are the dash cams that I would recommend the most. Some of these have a G-force sensor that shows obviously how fast you were going and if you were accelerating. Some have a super wide lens, some have night vision. I really like this one the most because premium 2K Super HD, super wide lens, you can see everything in front of you. And then it also has the night vision, and as you know, as an Uber or Lyft driver, one of the best times to drive is at night, and so it's important to capture that. Another one, if you're looking for something cheaper, I think the 8-man is a good one right now. I personally use this one. It's not as big as it looks in the picture, and it's the most professional one that I've seen so far in anyone's car, and I've been using it for 2 months. If you're looking for something more compact and you can spend a little more money, the Van True is another good one. So yeah, like I said, if you follow the link in the description, you should get the same exact page. And hope you guys found this video helpful. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you.